So, ladies and gentlemen, Mathew is beside me, and we all know that, of course, beside the casting, refining, rolling is a very important process within the production of not only precious metal, but in general. And Redex, you have some latest information for us. Looking forward to your presentation. The floor is yours. Thank you, and give him a big hand. Thank you.
So thank you, everybody. It's really exciting to be here. And today we would like to introduce Redex's latest development called Smart Machine Pack. And this is a digital infrastructure for rolling mill operation and maintenance. So just a few words about Redex Group. Redex is the story of the four industrial companies, Redex, Bühler, Ungerer, and BWG, coming together to form one of Europe's leading manufacturing companies for machinery, with a history spanning over 150 years. Today, the group employs 450 people worldwide and manufactures its line of rolling mills for precious metals in Pforzheim, Germany's Gold City. Rolling mills, they date back to 1485 and actually started with this sketch by Leonardo da Vinci. And starting from this drawing to today's most modern machinery, all rolling mills consist of four main ingredients. First, we have the rolls to deform the material, and over time, rolling mill rolls have become more precise and more accurate. Then, we have the housing to provide the roll force. Over time, the houses have become stiffer and stronger. Then we have the drivetrain to provide the torque, and over time, mill drivetrains have become more powerful, more efficient, and more compact. And then, last but not least, we have the control system to monitor the process. In the past, this was almost done completely by a human being, and over time, we relied more and more on computer technology for mill control. So what's special about a rolling mill for precious metals? Redex's philosophy for rolling mills using the mint industry is based upon three principles. The first being high precision for high yield, a high stand modulus, precision ground rolls, and accurate measurement enable a Redex machine to roll gold within plus or minus 1 micron. Then we have ease of use for high productivity. A Redex rolling mill can reliably roll gold almost completely automatically from coil to coil or bar to bar with very little operator intervention. And then lastly, we have cleanliness for high purity. If you compare one of our machines to one of those you might see in a steel mill, for example, you'll notice that there's one huge difference. There's no oil. Today, a Redex machine can produce a mirror-like finish worthy of the most beautiful coins without the need for lubrication. So fast forward over 500 years from Leonardo's sketch, and we have Redex's state-of-the-art machines for gold and silver rolling. Whether it be for rolling a 2-ton coil or a 2-kilo bar, Redex machines can produce strip to the highest of quality for precious metal producers of all sizes. So that leads us on to a huge question as a mill builder. How do we make this 500-year-old invention even better? This is where Redex has developed an innovative solution to enhance the human interaction with our machines, focusing on two key user groups. The first being the operators, those who run the machine and produce the strip. The second being the maintenance teams. Those are the people who ensure the machines operate at their peak condition. Redex has collaborated with leading companies in machine automation to develop Smart Machine Pack, a fully integrated system that simplifies machine operation, streamlines maintenance, and leverages powerful data analysis tools to optimize machine efficiency. To demonstrate some of the capabilities of Smart Machine Pack, we've made a short movie for you.
Check pressure. Yes. Next question. Yes. Check temperature. Thermal camera. Expert. Hi Nicolas. I must measure the thickness of the wire, but I don't know exactly where I have to do it on the machine. Can you please help me and show me where I need to measure it? Okay, yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
So how does Smart Machine Pack simplify rolling mill operation? It starts with training. Traditionally, training was conducted by a person, often as a one-time event during the machine commissioning. Smart Machine Pack offers interactive, on-machine training, similar to tutorials on personal devices. It not only trains your teams, but also tracks their skills and provides refreshers as needed. Then there's setup. Efficient setup is crucial for every coil and every bar rolled. Smart Machine Pack guides operators through the setup process, ensuring that consistent operating conditions are met coil after coil, day after day. Then onto operation. The system monitors machine downtime and productivity, generates detailed production and quality reports, and includes an integrated messaging system for seamless communication across shifts. And then, my personal favorite, process optimization. Powered by advanced AI technology, Smart Machine Pack analyzes production, adapting machine recipes to optimize energy efficiency, product quality, and overall productivity. And then what about maintenance? How does Smart Machine Pack make our machines easier to maintain? Here we start with the planning. Smart Machine Pack includes an inbuilt scheduling tool to help plan routine and preventative maintenance efficiency. Then task management. Maintenance tasks are supported by mixed reality tools to display drawings and documentation directly in front of the technician while they work on the machine. And keeping on the topic of documentation, gone are the days of bulky paper folders that get damaged or lost. With Smart Machine Pack, machine documentation is digitally available at the machine where it's most needed. Then we have condition monitoring. Using AI technology, Smart Machine Pack monitors machine data to predict potential failures, preventing breakdowns before they occur. And then remote assistance. When things get challenging, Smart Machine Pack enables our experts to connect with your technicians anywhere in the world, providing real-time troubleshooting assistance. So it would be almost impossible not to talk about AI at today's technical forum. And if you look back 1 year, we were actually discussing about the potential of AI and its application in industry. But here we are today, and AI is already part of our daily lives at home and in the workplace. For Redex, the use of AI technology is no longer a question for the future, but a requirement of today's industry. As part of the Smart Machine Pack project, Redex have teamed up with condition monitoring experts, DI Analysis, to develop an AI-based tool for condition monitoring of a rolling mill, using various data sources and sensors located on the machine. With little need for additional sensors, we can use existing machine data to predict failures in advance. For example, the current of an electric drive, the temperature of a gearbox, or hydraulic pressure. These are all examples of data which is already today continuously available on a machine. The innovation lies, however, in the use of this data and using algorithms to predict how this data will likely look on into the future. Smart Machine Pack contains the Lazy AI system, which takes the condition of the machine from a reference state and can predict the development of the machine's condition over time. This allows maintenance teams to intervene in time and replace components before an unplanned breakdown occurs. So, if you want to know more, and how and when will Smart Machine Pack be available for rolling mill users? From 2026, Smart Machine Pack will be available as an option on all new Bühler and Redex rolling mills. And for those of you who already have a machine from us, Smart Machine Pack can be retrofitted to all machines equipped with a Siemens S7 or Simotion PLC. Thank you all very much for your attention.